Early in the morning, unit members conducted the final sweep of the ramp to remove rocks and any other material that could potentially cause foreign object damage to the F-15 engines. The aircraft were then carefully prepared for flight by maintenance crews, ensuring that the aircraft would be delivered to the 144th Fighter Wing in top shape. 120th Fighter Wing pilots carried their flight equipment out to the ramp, escorted by family members to witness their last unit mission flown in an F-15 airframe. Unit personnel and retirees also gathered on base to watch as the last 3 fighter aircraft taxied to the end of the runway for the final flight preparation and takeoff. One by one, each fighter jet went from a virtual standstill at the end of the runway to fast attaining the fighter jet's needed takeoff speed. The audience appreciated hearing the loud, familiar roar of the F-15 engines as each aircraft quickly lifted up from the pavement and gained altitude. Once all aircraft were airborne, the 3 fighters assembled into a basic V formation and flew one last ceremonial flight over the 120th Fighter Wing's airfield. The unit's personnel are now focused on training for their new C-130 Hercules air transport mission. In Great Falls, Montana, this is Senior Master Sgt. Eric Peterson reporting.